Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'll show you the client tracking portal. What is the client tracking portal? The client tracking portal is something that your clients can access once you move them to an active status. It is a portal that they can go in and check progress that you have done for their profiles. It is also a way for them to be able to communicate with you directly and be able to send you documents or even send you referrals. Let me show you how the client tracking portal looks like. Before that, let me show you where you can access the client tracking portal easily. If you go under company and go to company settings, you may go to other settings and get the client tracking portal login link from here. Once you do so, just simply log in and I'll show you how it looks like. This is the client tracking portal. The client tracking portal has different screens that your clients can definitely see. The color at the top is a company branding color of your choice, so you have to make sure you set it up under company settings, go to other settings, and set up your company branding color from here. This company branding color would not just reflect in your client tracking portal, but would also be reflecting in your affiliate tracking portal as well as the client auto sign up. Now in the client tracking portal, the first screen that your clients will be able to see is the overview screen. In the overview screen, your clients will be able to see their credit scores. They'll also be able to see improvements of the scores, the initial score uploaded, as well as the current or most recent score uploaded, and if there's any score improvement reflected or computed. They'll be able to see the total accounts, number of accounts prepared, deleted, and anything remaining that's still in dispute. Now this is per bureau, and the second line item is for creditors and collectors, and then of course a summary for total. At the very bottom, your clients will be able to see your company information along with your logo, your company name, your address, phone number, as well as your company email. Now the next screen would be the bureau screen. In the bureau screen, your clients will be able to see which accounts you're actually working on per credit bureau and which accounts were actually deleted. So this screen will basically list down all of the accounts found in their credit report per credit bureau. As you can see, there are accounts showing already in dispute and accounts showing already deleted. And it is segregated per credit bureau. Now in the tracking screen, we do have three different other options. One is credit bureau screen. So from here, you'll be able to keep track, or your clients will be able to keep track the letters that you actually create. When did you create a specific letter for a certain account? When was it sent out? And when is it due by for you to do the next round of dispute? They'll be able to see it from here. When you create a letter for a certain account and when it's due to do the next round of dispute. That goes for the same under creditors as well as collectors. So your client will be able to keep track of all the letters you're actually creating. Next is document screen. This is where your clients can upload documents and send to you directly, especially if there's any new additional documents that they want you to receive. They only have to select the type of document, whether it's a social security, an ID, a proof of address, or any other general supporting documents that they feel like you need to have. They can select the title or the type of the document and then choose the file. Of course, in uploading, they have to make sure that it's a .doc, .docx, or any image type of file or a PDF file. There's also a maximum file upload limit of 8 MB. So examples of the documents that they can send: credit reports, updated reports, proof of residence, proof of identification, and many more. As soon as they type in or choose the correct document type, choose the file, type a little bit of description, and click on send, the document would be sent to you. Now let me show you where in the software that you as the admin will be receiving this specific document. Of course, number one, you'll be receiving an email notification letting you know about the new document. In the software at the very top, you'll be receiving a notification for pending documents. All you have to do is click that icon. You'll be able to see the pending document count from here. And from there, you'll be able to see the document that your client submitted. You may, of course, download that document, preview and print the document, send the document to your client via email, or delete the document, or mark the document as reviewed so that it would be moved under the reviewed section. Now, going back to the client tracking portal, your client can also keep track of all the documents they submit right down below the grid. Now, next is messages. Your clients can communicate to you directly through the client tracking portal. They could send you messages from here. They can type in some messages and click on send. Now, you as the admin would be receiving an email initially letting you know that the client sent you a message and giving you an advice to access or log into the software. So where would you be receiving those messages as an admin? In the software, you'll be able to see a notification at the very top letting you know about new messages pending for your clients. All you have to do is click on that and it would route you to the customer screen where it would already be filtered with pending messages type of filter. So from here, all you have to do is click on the message icon and you'll be able to see the message coming from your customer. You may respond back to that specific message, of course. Now, as soon as you respond back, the client or your customer will be receiving an email letting them know about a new message that you have sent to them and advising them to log into the client tracking portal. Now, the next screen that they'll be able to access is the educational section. This is where they could preview different articles or view and read different articles that's going to be helpful and educational. And you can basically manage these articles. Just go to company and then go to manage portal content. From here, you can modify which type of articles would be available for your clients to read through and which ones you want to add in. So you can create new at any time. Now, of course, your clients can also send a referral. If they have any friends or families that also wanted to get credit repair services, they can submit the referral information directly from the client tracking portal. Now, lastly is providing you with their credit monitoring information. Now, for their credit monitoring information, they can come here and update it at any time, especially if they got a new updated credit monitoring credentials. All they have to do is click on edit and make the necessary changes. Now, every time that they do update their credit monitoring credentials, you'll also be receiving those updates directly in the customer screen under the credit monitoring icon. So that would complete our quick walkthrough or quick training tutorial about the client tracking portal.